Happy Tuesday, first graders. Today is Tuesday, April 28th. Yesterday, we worked on From Puppy to Guide Dog and talked about sequencing using those time order words: first, next, then, last. Our essential question this week is, how do people work with animals? Now, yesterday we heard about a dog becoming a guide dog. Today we're going to hear about a very different animal, still a mammal. I'm going to give you some clues and see if you can guess the animal we're going to read about. All right, this animal is bigger than a person. This animal sometimes walks on its hind legs like people. This animal can use its hands to grip things. This animal is very intelligent. This animal is typically black. This animal can do a lot of things that some animals can't do. This animal is a mammal. And this animal typically lives in the jungle. All right, what's your guess? Did you guess a gorilla? That's the animal we are going to read about. This text is actually in your packet this week. It's all typed out for you. I am just going to read it to you from our book so that you can see the photos that go with it. So today we're going to read about a gorilla who can do amazing things that we don't typically think about a gorilla doing. The title of our text is Coco and Penny. This is another non-fiction true text, and this is from Time magazine, just like our guide dog story. While we're reading, we are going to look at a woman named Penny who teaches Coco the gorilla to do many things. And I want you to think about the time order. So what happens first, next, then, and last. Coco and Penny. What does a special teacher help Coco the gorilla to do? Coco is a gorilla. Penny Patterson is a woman, but she is like Coco's mom. Penny found baby Coco at a zoo in 1972. Coco was a year old. Coco jumped into Penny's arms. She pulled her near. Penny liked Coco. She wanted to study her. Coco was very young when Penny began teaching her. Penny wanted to teach Coco words. She showed her hand signals and hand signs first. At first, Coco mostly asked for things she wanted. She would say words like cookie a lot. This is how Coco says sip. All right, and this book already used a time order word, first. What types of things did Coco learn first? Right, Coco learned hand signals, learned to talk with her hands. And Coco at first would only ask for things that she wanted. She wanted a sip of water, she wanted a cookie. I might ask for that too. But soon Coco could say more. Now she knows over 1,000 words. When she is happy, Coco shows a smile. Show me a smile. Good. When she is sad, she points to her eyes. Point to your eyes. This means cry. Coco is really clever. This is how Coco says that she loves something. All right, let's try that. Take your arms and give yourself a hug. That means you love something. This is how Coco says toothbrush. Take your fingers, point to your teeth. Good. All right, so at first, Coco could only sign for things that she wanted, nouns that she wanted, a drink, she wanted a cookie. But now she's beginning to show feelings, right? So next, she learns to show when she is happy, when she's sad, when she loves something. And that's a little bit harder to show. So Coco first learns really easy stuff, and then she learns harder signals. Then Penny wanted to teach Coco how to do more things. She showed her how to use a pen and paper. Coco could come to first grade with us, I think. Coco works hard. She may be trying to write her name. Coco likes to write notes and can sign her own name. Wow. Coco could come to school with us. I love this picture because I see Coco's tongue out, and sometimes when I see kids working in the classroom and they have their tongue out, that means they're really concentrating on something. And here Coco is really concentrating on writing. When Coco was 12, she would sign the word cat a lot. So Penny gave her a kitten. Coco was really kind to the kitty. She named him Allball. She has had many more pets and has been kind to all of them. Coco is very gentle with her pets. All right, let's think about what happens next. So we know that first, Coco learned very easy sign language words. Next, then she learned a little bit harder things to show her emotions. After that, she learned what? Right, she learned how to write and how to take care of pets. Wow, this gorilla is sure learning a lot. These days, Coco has lots of projects that keep her busy. She has a hobby. It is painting. Coco paints many things. Coco likes to name her paintings. She has done paintings named Bird and Love. Coco's favorite color is red. Wow. Not only has Coco learned all this stuff, now she is painting. She is an artist. Coco and Penny have worked and played together for a long time. Coco and Penny are quite a team. And this is a more recent picture of Coco and Penny. All right. See if you can retell, that means tell again, what we just heard and what I just read to you. And remember, I always tell my first graders this, when we retell, we kiss. We keep it short, sweeties. We only talk about the really important details. So see if you can find an adult and go retell the story of Coco and Penny. Remember, tell it in order. Have a good Tuesday.